Where art thou? So this intermediate algorithm challenge called Wherefore art thou? We are given a function called a function with the name what is in a name, and this takes in a collection and a source. So this source is an object that has key value pairs, and if these key value pairs match key value pairs from any object in our collection, then we want to return that object. Right, that's the objective here. So first thing I'll do is get my keys from the source. Okay, I'll get my keys from the source. So I'll do that keys, and this should give me the keys apple and bat. So I have my keys here, and what I'll do now is call the filter, or filter my collection, and I need to return, or yeah, so my condition in the filter is give me only the objects that have the same key value pairs as the source. Right, that's what I'm trying to achieve here. So I'll start off by doing this. Alright, so I'm gonna place some logic inside my block, and I would do a loop. So I'll have a for loop here, and for let's key of keys. Alright, so now I can loop, or I can iterate over each key inside of my keys. Right, and inside here I would do if. Now I need to check to see if the object has the key. If the object has the key, so I'll do if has own property key, and so this makes a check to see if the object has the key, but I also need to check to see if the value is the same. Right, value is the same, so I'll check that by doing object key is source key. Right, and if that is true, like push this, yeah, so if that is true, alright, then return true. Alright, but the issue with this is that now we're going to check for the first, or we're going to check for one key value, and if that's true, well then it's gonna return true, but this will not work because it will not go on to check for the other keys. So what I'll do is that if it doesn't have the key, or if the values are not the same, then I return false. Alright, then return false. And once that loop is completed, and nothing returned false, then I want you to return true. And instead, okay, I can collect. Okay, let's do objects. So these are the objects that we collect from the filter when it's done, and let's return these objects in the end. So just looking at the information that we have, based on this apple 1 bat 2, it should give us back this object here, upper1 bat2, it should skip this one and it should give us back this one. So it should give us the first one and the third one and leave out the second and fourth. So let's see what we get here. Source is not defined. Where is source? Here. Let's run that, and we got upper1 bat2, upper1 bat2, cookies 2. Right. So yeah. So we got the first object and also we got the third object because these two, they contain the key value pairs from the source. So this is one way of doing it, as well as we could have just put the return statement up here as well, and that's that.